Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to download and install Lightroom on PC for free. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Start by downloading BlueStacks, an Android emulator on your PC. Open your web browser and search for BlueStacks. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Download BlueStacks by clicking on the download button on the website. Once the BlueStacks installer is downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. After installing BlueStacks, launch the application. In the BlueStacks interface, use the search bar to search for Lightroom. Click on Install from Google Play when you find Lightroom in the search results. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Lightroom. Once installed, you can open Lightroom from the BlueStacks interface and start using it for photo editing on your PC for free. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.